Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bookbinding with what many consider to be the best bookbinding kit available, the Sthmeyue 5PC scrapbooking tool. Let's explore why this kit stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk quality. The Sthmeyue kit is crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability and longevity. Whether you're a seasoned bookbinding pro or just starting out, these tools are sure to withstand the test of time. Now, what exactly do you get with this kit? Well, you're in for a treat. The package includes 5 different tools, each serving a specific purpose in the bookbinding process. The T-type ruler ensures precise alignment of all your pieces, while the divider tool helps you maintain even gaps between each component. Need to trim excess paper at the corners? The corner tool has got you covered. And let's not forget the 2 squares for maintaining those perfect edges. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. With 5 different shapes and sizes included, you'll have everything you need to unleash your creativity and craft unique books, journals, calendars, and more. The possibilities are endless. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will this kit work for me? Rest assured, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Sthmeyue kit is designed to cater to all skill levels. Plus, with its user-friendly design, you'll be binding like a pro in no time. And let's not forget about the rave reviews. Customers can't stop singing praises about the Sthmeyue kit. From its sturdy construction to its ease of use, it's clear why this product has become a favorite among bookbinding enthusiasts. So, if you're ready to take your bookbinding game to the next level, look no further than the Sthmeyue 5PC scrapbooking tool. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy binding!